I wanted to ask you some questions regarding the ISC English Literature exam. So my first question is, how can we write a well-structured 10 marks answers in ISC literature exams?
Okay, now first of all you have to identify what the question requires. Okay, after identifying, avoid writing a summarized answer. Okay, state the points with reference. Okay, and most important is you have to read the text thoroughly. Read the text thoroughly. Do not write a summarized answer or depend on notes or paraphrases. Okay, and avoid repetition and rambling the same point again and again. And the question, answer all the subparts of the question. You will see the 10 marks question has subparts also. So answer that also.
Okay. So my second question is, how will you suggest students to structure their 5-mark answer so they are clear, focused and to the point?
5 marks question, that means 150 words. Okay. So start immediately. No background is required, and to be focused and to the point, you can write, use the hints. Okay, you have 2 hints given with the question. Use the hints and the answers are text based. Okay, so you will find all the 5 marks questions are text based. So follow that.
And my third question is, how can I support my answers with textual evidence without memorizing the entire chapter?
Now we do not encourage rote learning. Okay, for that, to remember all the events, one thing that you can do is to create flowcharts. Okay, and creating flowcharts will help you to write the events in a sequence. So when you write the events in a sequence, and you will find all the events are interrelated. So flowcharts will help you to recall each and every event. So no need to memorize anything. Okay, and most important, I'm repeating everything every time again and again, read the text thoroughly. This way you can answer the long questions, the short question, the MCQ and also the good listening questions.
Lastly, could you give us some tips regarding the revision of Macbeth?
Now Macbeth, again I'm telling you, you should have an idea of how the X XII connection. Okay, all the scenes have a connection. Just after the murder of Duncan, the discovery of the murder, after that the banquet scene, then how Banquo reacted, then the role of the witches in bringing Macbeth's downfall. And you also have to read about the minor characters also, minor as well as the major characters. Major, we know Macbeth is there, Lady Macbeth also is there, but do not neglect the minor characters. So if you list all the events sequence wise, it will be easy for you to revise the whole. And character analysis is important, as well as I told you read about the minor characters. Macduff is there, Lady Macduff is there, all the minor characters is important, and also the role of the witches as well as role of Lady Macbeth and Macbeth, the character of Macbeth is important.
Thank you.